Every story starts somewhere. Not with fame, not with awards, but with curiosity and the courage to press record. This is Video Production 1, the second step in a 4-year media arts pathway, and the moment when passion starts becoming purpose. Here, you don't just learn how to use a camera, you learn how to see the world differently, how to capture emotion, how to tell stories that matter. With top-of-the-line equipment, including DSLR cameras, quality shotgun mics, and access to every Adobe program, VP1 sets you up for real-world success.
VP1 is for everyone. Music videos, short films, and more creative projects are all covered in this course.
Video Production 1 gets you ready to compete in multiple competitions, including Skills USA, where we have won 5 state championships and 1 national championship.
If you're a freshman, sophomore, or junior, sign up for Video Production now for an unforgettable experience.